On this next pump for Dogecoin, Dogecoin is going to go near $1. I think we are going to break all-time highs very, very soon for Dogecoin, but there is something that is holding Dogecoin up. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts on what is going on with Dogecoin. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this emergency Dogecoin video. So what has happened is cryptos have been pumping up for the past several weeks, but one thing that cryptos have not done is that cryptos have not corrected or pulled back much at all, especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin hasn't even budged, and every single dip is getting eaten up on Bitcoin. And Michael Saylor is constantly buying Bitcoin, billions of dollars. And this is holding up Bitcoin, which is holding up the rest of the crypto market. That's why you're seeing Dogecoin and a lot of altcoins kind of just chop around. They're not really pumping. They're not making these crazy pumps like they were weeks ago. The reason for this is because the crypto market is overextended with a lot of cryptos. Some cryptos are just beginning to pump and wake up. Those cryptos are probably going to still keep pumping. But when you have a really big pump and no pullback or correction, the market doesn't have enough liquidity to push higher. And in order for the market to push up higher, there needs to be a pullback, a flush, or a correction. And what that looks like, I'm going to share with you guys in just a second, is just a strong dip, a pullback, a flash crash, whatever you want to call it, nothing crazy. And what this is going to do is that there's a lot of people like myself. I have a lot of sideline capital to profits of a lot of things. There's a lot of people waiting on the sidelines for a dip, and a dip really has not yet come. When a dip does come, the alts, everything is going to flush very hard, very strong, but that is going to bring in a lot of liquidity that's sitting on the side. So sidelined capital, and that's going to be the liquidity to push up everything much higher and to start this next leg up. Especially with Elon Musk, the new Doge department, Donald Trump, they are going to pump the heck out of Dogecoin. They talk about Dogecoin almost every single day. Whales are buying Dogecoin at a massive rate. I mean, it is just insane what is happening behind the scenes for Dogecoin. But let me share with you guys what's going on in the charts at the moment. So Bitcoin has been holding up very, very strongly on this support level. It has not broken, and every single time it tries to break, it just bounces up, bounces up, bounces up. But when Bitcoin finally breaks and we get this flush down here, that's going to allow altcoins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, XRP, everything is going to dip. So this is Dogecoin right now. We are forming this bull flag pattern. It's attempted to break out many, many times, but it just would not break out. So what I think is going to happen is that Dogecoin is probably going to get a flush to about this 30-cent region, and the lowest I would see is probably like 24 cents, maybe lower than that. But that's going to be the move. And from the top to the bottom, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at like a 40 to 30% correction, and that's very, very normal. Very, very normal with altcoins in a bull market. And what I think is going to happen after that, ladies and gentlemen, we're specifically talking about Dogecoin, is we're going to get a flush. It's going to dump down, and it's either going to bounce really, really fast and kind of just hold up and slowly move, consolidate, chop around, and then it's going to start trending and parabolically move up. That's probably what is going to happen. Another scenario is we dump down, we bounce up hard, and then we make a new low, and then bounce up and consolidate and look like things are dead. People start selling, they give up, and then it starts ripping up really, really fast. So either way, these next dumps, you're going to want a dollar cost average. You're going to want to get some exposure if you have not done so already, but there are plenty of people with sideline capital ready to get in. And this is what it's probably going to look like, some type of double dump. And this could take weeks. This could take weeks, several weeks before this next pump up. But this next pump is going to take Dogecoin, in my opinion, past all-time highs. We are going to break 74 cents, 69 cents, however many cents is the all-time high in your exchange at whatever you're looking at. I believe it's going to break, and we are going to start sending. We're going to reach $1, I think, by Christmas. That's my price prediction. Make sure you guys are in my Patreon. We bought Dogecoin at 6 cents last year. We've been recently scooping up Dogecoin 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents before this massive pump up. So if you were in my Patreon, you would have been able to follow this call and a whole bunch of other calls where we are up massive profits. One call just a couple of days ago, we did a 10x on Kotaro. Congratulations if you were in the Patreon for that. We get early access to these coins before they go public before they go crazy. So you guys can have access to that. But another thing is we're going to really help you guys is ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This thing will give you buy alerts, sell alerts before big moves take place. And we got a buy alert here at 14 cents before Dogecoin took place. You take a look at Bitcoin, we got a buy alert. This is the 4-hour time frame. This is a good time frame. You got a buy alert here at $69,000. You can get just huge pump. This thing will give you a sell alert before big crashes. Like you get a sell alert, big crash. Watch the tutorial video on the website to figure out how to use this. You guys can try today for just $1 at algosniper.com. If you guys are going to be trading cryptos, I highly suggest that you are trading over on Blowfin. This is the exchange. This is the platform that we are using to trade on. You can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. It's for traders. And most importantly, you guys can get up to a $5,000 deposit bonus by using my link. And most importantly, this is going to have the cheapest fees on any exchange in the world. If you guys notice you use crypto.com or Robinhood, there are huge hidden fees. So whenever you want to change your crypto for another, sell it, take profits, there are huge fees. The fees on here are almost zero. So this is something that you guys should be using. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys get anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing and notifications on, and I'll see you later.